Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Audi S8 V10. This executive sedan combines high performance with luxurious comfort, making it a unique offering in its class. We'll explore its impressive engine, advanced features, and overall driving experience. Get ready to dive into what makes this V10-powered Audi a true automotive standout. Under the hood, the S8 V10 boasts a naturally aspirated 5.2-liter engine, producing 450 horsepower and 398 pound-feet of torque. This power allows the sedan to reach 60 miles per hour in about 5.1 seconds. Paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission and Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive, it offers a thrilling yet controlled driving experience, even at its electronically limited top speed of 155 miles per hour. Beyond its performance, the Audi S8 V10 delivers a truly luxurious experience. The cabin is appointed with high-end materials and features like a 14-speaker Bang and Olufsen sound system. Its adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth, refined ride while still allowing for dynamic handling. This blend of comfort and sportiness makes every journey enjoyable, whether you're cruising or pushing its limits. The Audi S8 V10 remains a distinctive choice for those seeking a high-performance luxury sedan with a unique engine. Its combination of a powerful V10, Quattro all-wheel drive, and a lavish interior offers significant value. While it competes with other luxury flagships, its character is truly its own. For more great deals and to check out those leak-proof meal prep containers, find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.